How to view or recover deleted notification for any app like Message, Messenger, Telegram. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to view notification history on your device, so let's go. First, open the settings, then scroll down a little bit. Now tap on Notifications. Tap Advanced Settings from the option below. Now tap on Notification History. Ensure that it's turned on. Once enabled, you'll be able to view all deleted notifications here. Scroll down to find a segmented list of deleted notifications for each app, like Gmail, Messages, Telegram, etc. Like, I'm gonna tap on Messages. Here it is, all the deleted messages. I can read them. Hope it helps. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.